order for young Wakaba, Edba, emergency hours. A wedding young people shot, now want to wash him, send us a wajib brenner or share emergency hour. And then you may dear son quan, a wedding young couple, a woman with a dear share. Nana, you want Sembia, a person home. Now you be saying, room, lay home, and Yama Air Cosso, we are say, also Penny, as Apostle General, Apostle Charles McCarthy, our Dasafua, your friend said, Victory Cana Land Chapel. Or no, Anna Radin Chad and Sakam. Now, I also Penny and Yanko Paman soon soon him dear. Namun so a radiant were quite an impede. It is a Yanawo Dumadia swat, I say, a radin on the so Bemoisha. It in there and some port me and son and 9 numbi. And Yabuan no Yabon of Bedekuha, Yababe Jem. Near baby Sebis and some of the room. It is Uncle Baby at 13 home. So now, what Namua who saw them be a mamma for them one. Who wants a picture of calendars near day. Yes, a year's photo. And here, will be crowd near public school fees or Timiko 2 photo name. Bapa yes, Mr. Lewa, public school fees, Mr. Mamis Kamukutia. And he may be never saw them one. Photo no boku set it master table. Then the air bomb pie edit the picture. Set M1. Now, when I would have some swag, I would trace them. Nick say when the Pebby and Yamian row, who got to Adi any pardon anxiety. I, and non tea trans of Fred or so penny. Says, way, say, only part the senior, Yanko Point Joe, and Yamisi and soon friend. So, yes, you foot to ye about them wing, Yabako to any moon. Now, yes, you say you are no, and I send you on one, and I want some. I want to be there with her. Yababich. It is some cobabia. Me and me, my dear, which I'm meeting. Ene ade boatin Peter obetimi afrem TV3 Apostle General ewa ha ana fe osowo ba konso a e friend osofo ajaben ono nso ewa ha sa ene erode be form so ameyesha me pa jotna e ko ba bia ya ba sisi a ahwefo e mom nyina kwa ba se moje brand matna se atwa Apostle ba cho e mo kwa ba me dio so eja odi focus I'm more quabble, so quabble. Just opening. Boko de. A jardon on piable. Eja. Yes, you by idea. Now, would ya at the soil, you may idea of percent a year. Yet that's them all body. A jamana, a patchona, a pomp to say, Yaboko. Yet a running uncle Pansy. What do you for? Yeah. And Simbia. Many material for Bessie Bissau now, boy, and my home maybe a cost or a bracelet. And no rush for them one, and I am for them one. Yes, foot two. Ebo hwa kese agese nipa ebo mpaye chede no na de pese wonu se so yesu foto ebo nso dem enti yesu no a na se enye wono okay ya be shira was a question here to fan say question we a powerful question ya ababo nipa emu nche mu ba no kra ne se enye yesu ankasa sa pictures na ebo ho ni na omo ya actors o se emani omo ya actors. And you know, they are the catering for Betia said, they say, or what to say, Lorraine, a Jeku, acrobato. So I say, and then one more kind of a boba so them. Ya quaint Nimunano, Mabo Bo, Nipa Hodua, one more a year, yes to kiss to the movies nine, actually. Now what he says, one more actor. What I say, and yes to cry. One one say yes to cry. And he will be a big bonus on the piano, and to say you could. So for the picture, I will bomb sorry them in Nipa, them my enye Yesua and you be on tiasi to say they could say making to say acrobato so that say to say Lorraine emu wo ma ye movie na obi picture e bia ye no fair we twa na oda kwakobo ni dem na say Neverland but I say into the body na actors pictures na bo je was more kind ya no dem eye Yesu picture ko free am bem nyina no Yesu photo bi ni say Yesu no a and over saw them say yes, no, but okay, that's what that's for Yaba. As I say, we are echoing in the Dawson, not this air Dawson, so I say. And you know, I said I working. That's Anna Yafano, that's Anna Yin. We say, yes, son, now, won't be yes from soft of a what? I won't grass it. And my day, I should hear and one of yin to yen ano, yen way you say, yes, none I yes, young, but the credit said, and now yes, dear. Nani bia ba ne yehu bibia ne yehu se eye no kra se wo mo ye actors but wo mo nye Yesu Kristo kra a wo mo ina we busunya e wo mba e wo bebia wo mo tie bi mu tie asisi a ye betuma akokire wo mo fie be research akọ mo fie you want to sad here no oh yes omo wa yere ne mba
de ti asisi ya
aka
wala se
enti we wonyini se o pese o say esa image no e ma nipa bi adwene fi because o sha and then as nipa bi anya gidie e wo side nti asema o kan e twa se nipa yi gidie fi side no ma
no crane say said ya kan Exodus chapter 20 verse 3 no no crane say you see Bible so be hu no kure but no kure ma mo ayen ya de shi ko si say nipa hu no kure no nipa be kwaso anante wo bonim sabre we de enye se ni yi nipa adwene fi Yesu so untie bi yi ba me ma nipa hu say they are worshiping images wo ye nyame echiwade because Exodus ma ye say mo obi nkutu ohoni image ye ka image it is a picture form obi ay act esi ho obi de picture ye dey esi ho o se mo obi ay dey enkoto sa de na nsole no de ba to wutie ni so na obi de bia bona so dem de bia bona dem na edu anopa okogu kotobi sugu enimu no ayi abosom som no oye ayi chiwade ye ayi no kra na be pese nyame ma ye dey ehunu but enye se mi yi ni pa adwene fi Yesu so debi fara se me se bobi dem na di panadwene eye ne se o de bo ho se de o ye frame no wo o active frame no e de ne ti no ho wada se ne ho ye ne fe e de o de aboni dem a me ni problem ba se boni dem se na je nkwan no 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 okusu anadwo e we nim di a e ne ye nyame chiwade e ye boni aso dem bi e bi bom ne e se wo tutu wa watu
so tu be so che se sa photo no enye nkwa
sa photo na enye nkwa
se senti
enye nkwa
ade di na enye
Yesu Kristo di nkwa na enye nkwa wotie bi Yesu nkwa na enye nkwa before so beto aso ma membre na membo nkofo miensa bi din a wo mo ye Yesu Kristo eye
e movie
no movie ne e bi nchiro do din kai ye
wo mo din wa ha
wo mo din wa ha wo bi din wa
ha ni se one what transfer
do din kai ye Yesu Kristo movie first e fa Robert Powell
wo wu anazo da so tiase
onwi minim se bia afi ne onwo ewudi na mente dia ene accountant but
we ni power
tiase o ye power tiase na woni dia e ma asem we ehu ne se Robert Powell eba bonten obia nko social media no nko search obia na no kan praise se ni petrete no nipa ama no ho eira no
sesenti
ene we wo business de ntia no si de ntia no wiase ama no ho eira no se obia sole ya na osugunu so okutu nanim ebo mpaye onyame na ba abekase se dia nkofo eye na tese sen enti ombra out mbekase onye Yesu enti ni penjano worship ni penjano de asom se ni pagutu nanim ebo mpaye kire no ye yai obi anko gogo no nko sechi ono anenum asama ode abetu bia se onye Yesu enti ni penjano mpaye a ye boye den e kire no ono odi nka ye Yesu from a decan. You be ho, ya wa Jim Cavison.
So ye Yesu movie.
Honestly, Yesu movie.
Honestly, Yesu or
honestly, Yesu or Tias di Bukuna Betia. Or if I rising in and I say, well, Diago Magado.
Honestly,
Yesu. Diago Magado, honestly, Yesu Christo. Honestly, Yesu Christo actor. So, and ya eye deacon meet
honestly Yesu
entity no Yesu bae na yeso no ye bom pai kire
ti so for Yesu no mo ye do say
so far your best seven no kwa wo ye Yesu Kristo yak text no movie no say o Jesus Christ of Nazareth your passion your Jesus in Trinity no obi active other say obi ye na de so and your best seven dia minimum the best seven but so far no forward we na me to pick here dey buy the software ha so wo pass bia
so my member question na me call so
okay
so for o kan kire sem no o se Ewurade Nyankopon ye onipa se ne saso God created human being as his own image so human being also is an image so but what you say onipa so a image so this is so for we see o kan Nyankopon se it is so for me fan say why sticker na wo photo boso na wo de ama wa soreba na wa soreba de akobone de na anajo wa soreba fa photo no de atada we bia anajo wo yare serious na wo bo mpa ya kire photo no say me gidi say me so fi wo sra wo no so e di ni photo a me hwe no Ewurade mfa photo no so na menya wo je so fu gidi say wo photo na ebo ho nyankopɔn betumi afom e de aye ogye am asoro bana
o say Bible say efaya ya faso bom paye kraye den yanim na hon konkron na nkasa na onam apanidie so bi die den e de maye de atini na de say the stake abo asoro dem ana say asoro be bi fie ena ne ba yale no so no nkasa yale ena ono ne didie kire say enwosra wo memesofo so enti no me kobutu picture na anim na mabom paye to be frank say eye error
sesenti
yeah it is an error
Already said do ji wodi fo die no
yeah
ne nsa beka wodi fa katua do ji ni partner die nsa beka ni partner katua nti se oji wodi se we nyame ni pa
okay Matias and the pay on the faith Bible say they wodi die tie no enye sa am enti pay on the faith kire say me en go say den e wo memu me yankopon sofo me yankopon difo wutie biye
ya ba wo so ye image na bia
me so me image na den e wo ho me nchechia ne so onkokoto me image aye ono ndidi na kire say so kobutu enim bom paya so wada so yankopon betie no wada se no no kobutu enim abom paya ana ebia ne ba no ho ayeden atono de ambasa me share say nyame mi image no obutu enim bom paya nti ne ba no atono but onyame ne ehun ne mobo ama ne ba no ho ayeden atono me ba cho tie na make because the moment ya we bebutu menim say obom paya no efrem ne de no de ma yankopon enti mi sisu de say pen say enya papa enti benefit ne de obetime ya miracle tie ma me set a good example na ahwefo enti ase yankopon ka kire Moses say okwa onfa ba na ye den
ofa nkire botan no so
meboa na nsuo beba okoe no ode boso nsuo ne ye den e bai nsuo na ba
e bai
but e kire yankopon atwe so enti obetime butu menim abom paye ne ba benya de ayesa sofo but at the end of the day, no, when you make to make so. Because the better thing is say, for Yesu Christo din, do better to make your Abraham Yankopon, Isaac Yankopon, so from Makati Yankopon, Mr. Tron said Jimmy Bay. Now go to my name is Apostle Jimmy, there, Yame. It is a sin. Do I send about said the Moses in the ano, in soon by, but a tree and unti, one quick came a day, as I saw.
So for my last question, I'm quite Jabeso. So for once a question be beside no Yankopon dey use nipa na nyagidie wo mu say erade dey use nti obom pa ye kire Yankopon be fa picture ni mu ayere ade e me say bi say some go from act Yesu the movie so for Yankopon honhom na hye mo ye ya na say e bonsam
oh ade bia obi yema Onyankopon na hye Onyankopon enu nyam no meka say ye Onyankopon na hye wo mo ye
it is a Yankopon hye wo mo ye sa de ya so for nyini say sa image no obi gidi say nyame dima from aboa no nyame timi mo from aba
ana meka say uti hwe say me kofa akunwa kra bisi na akunwa no me gidi e chere say akunwa yi metena so me ho beton na metena so me ho be den e beton me enti no wo mo ya actor say dem isi America na fi say obi wo gidie wo actor ni mu a je gidie ben or one wo actor ni because me dey am so be ni say e bia ma tene me nsa ama obi anya yeresa mebo a we bubu asole nti aso be ni say bibi ye den e wo me mu but the ono ye e ya fans e frame na de or activity so obi a bibi wo mu but e bia bibi aye den ye ni mu na ba che wo die na me kan enti ni pa wo gidie e wo ni mu na fi so kobom paye e wo ni mu maka say na miracle ne be si enye se picture na okobutu enim nti na miracle si e ba che wo ti but Onyankopon be tie ni sufre no Onyankopon ayere aboa no but it is a sin in the presence of God enti nipa no ayanyame wo na share no se onye okay wa ye wi but wa ye wi no wan ka obebi ase ye kokotu ne enim ye den ye worship no ye na ya adwe ye se tetebere mu no ya adwe ye se ye Yesu ankasa oh ye ina no obi enim se sa pictures no wo mo ye no o ye Yesu ankasa enti ye didie ina ye de aboho na ye se Yesu ye den oboho ena ye gu kotodwe enim wade e wo Yesu ye nim ena ne ye ina ye hu se no ye mistake ye sumo honi ye sum images enti braba say ye repent from that ye feel ho when ye hade say make say what you see a wo ko Pentecost a ye wo Pentecost for Yesu mebo a wo ko Roman a ye wo Yesu obo Roman so dem wo ko Methodist a ye wo Yesu a obo Methodist so dem yeah wo ko Pentecostal churches charismatic churches so a say Yesu bo ho a eso Yesu obo ho enti me question is say Yesu picture ben na ye Yesu angasa and the picture biara bo bia dem or worship no so kwada ho na bi webubu mpo no sole ya or worship image because most nyame so fantin so de boa or the boss nsuo ne de bai no pensuo na anom nsuo ne bai but e chiri no yakopɔ twena so and obi betuma gutu anim abompa nyame betie no we wa go Yesu din nti Yesu din ne be ye adwuma enye image no by the end of the day there is a problem. I was image na ebo ho nti obi biara o was picture bi woni dem me dey say ebo ho say Robert Powell no wo ya ofe why Yesu picture and what about dem mu I don't have problem on that. What I say what about was so dem mu I don't have problem on that. But say ebo ho say Yesu a onu na wewu a wasole na obo ho na okokutu na nim ebo mpaye de a eye chuade onyankopon ni aso dem bi bomu no mo wa wa ifiri ho I said the moment you say, you pay masam and a name, a boho. The bancho, Terry, in one hour.
So much in wonder. Okay. I will come to chapter number 4, verse number 23 to 24. Was it Kaya Samuel already Yanko catcher was said? Mamma yet, a dear be any partner and sire and to and sumo. If it's on Yanko Pon, where no confua would tear the no yoka for one to also means and I was so. It's a deal nipa air dear siwo. Se obekɔ to asɔre apɛ bibia firi mu de se de nyame ni package saka awurade nyankopɔn ɔmpɛ nemu Acts chapter 4 verse 12 ɔsi din bia ni so ase a ɔde ma onipa se ɔnye nkwa anaye mpɛ mo abinya den efrim apostle awurade nyankopɔn ne okɛse na ɔmo ɔdom ɛnɔso mame nkɔ sɔfo agyabe so ɔsɔfo
eba
fa josa pombo kɔ de asɛm a ɔsɔpani aka yotumi se one ne yadwen se picture bo nso de yentiti ntumu Yesu foto na e mankwa dia so na aka fam
abadi sa no nhyira ohefo bia ohwe
okay
na onhyira nyame papa aya na nso enne nyame ato ajabi antima ya jabi na asema ye kan yemu bi asase no ye fome pa na through the word of God adisuamu won kokoro chechim mu say ya foma twe okay kan John chapter 4 emra Yesu ne Samaria ni bani share oba ne kache say ye ja no sori obi poi so ana mo so sori wo Jerusalem Yesu kache oba ne say oba tie me ne adenkwa no ebra bi ba na wi edu ebra mu le edu sa fe no enye be poso ana Jerusalem le mo no so sori ja no so sori wo huhu ene no krem na hwade bi say on timi fo ani we ehunu mu ade da na so fo ne kam say o yesama o kache o say sama ene hunam dumpe that means ade huhu edi ma hunam ni ama me bi ni huhu mani wa minti fo mani huda ensa me fa ade sa kata keketo ho na be dina so bompa ya mafom na eza ni pa say Kristo na mama jene dina mi hunu no ona ne kata na oda ho na kwa idol aya bosunsun say de wo kwa konfufia ya ya ne tinsi won sa pepepe say de ya di abo bi abo sa san ho no na ya bosunsun sa pepepe enti an fonso ba abo pepepe
eja asemi dia say mo yama madwunu mo yemi he woni bi mo eti ne na ja ene wura sori bi mu a wo si aye Yesu ni statue kumfam setete hina na si ho wo si aye mere tete on na kufu na si ho na enipa timi kokoto animu se okoto eju nyini se ni nyina etimi de nkwaje ba
ohene ba
we de enyefu ayi kata ta na ho
okay
we de head na rete na aye se nipa
okay sama na me baba kasa no so o kasa bi se sam de ni nyina no na asinipa aya bi se yenim hwe ba addition me no tie me aso bi organ na me timodi eso pa the prayer can ba ko no e da no da no wa ye images no bo e dem go bebrebe to ko wa me ma nya ko da ko se ko no ko putu ba ko anim na sra de wo e yan fun so papa me ti ma ko kire wo ba bi e wo ba de ti ma so ni di e tu ti se eni pa yan fun so ni go bebrebe but sabre Yesu nya me asem pompa on kokoro e church wo se Yesu ka se say on kokoro nya ba obeka e no kre bia on Kristo if you want me no that say ti bia na ekoso yi bia na ekoso yi awade fa so wo se de kan na yekotu bible no
yeah
yekotu bible nti otiefo no ohefo bia oheye no o tie scriptures na ye de mana no fa bible no wo se enokre Acts chapter 17 verse 24 osofo Paul can say onyankopon na ye kana asem a obo so nya asase ni emunya manyina no on tedan a ye de nsa na ayem That's why I mean, baby, if I saw that, I'm in French Shadan. You could see him.
Okay.
Yeah, Shadan. But I saw that in the Pediawi.
Okay.
It is only part in the South Community Crater and it's here. And I image be a yard in the part inside your Biana when your GTS. What's the part and say, when you GTM Masadian? When you GTM Masadian say, Crater, image we, Apostle Charles McCarthy, image here, Bobby Demadia, we put them in a war. Now, what does it say? You? What is hard not to say yes? What the Apostle Charles McCarthy had any years to know who was in Anderson? A home at table no. And the new guy said, you didn't even accept Jesus Christ. And that's why I'm soon be quite hell.
I said, me press off one woman. The air came in and say, and yes, sir, you per se, you're a metia software. But the person say, the right way, a quampa, who GDA or sophomore. What I say, now fix a hunch by. And the best way to say, Apostle McCarthy, young coupon. Ten on side. Father say, yes, Christo, me bane you. Abraham Yankopon, Isaac Yankopon, Apostle McCarthy Yankopon, Mesomon, rather more Bassan Yaday, and Yakasi. So I say, Saturday, I mean, problem. No, say, who go soon. Actually, mistake a tale war down of say Apostle Gemini. I have some more woman. You are worshiping me. Shall make us a instant to be see what me am asking. What I say? Now over back when I read you. What I say? And a mistake at Tarbo. And no why second till one common pie. I was thinking anymore. Say Apostle McCarthy. The did say, and was so on the sofa meeting. The sofa was a look on the young man, the home batono. And I'll catch a second or the two zoom. I don't know me.
Still can I tell
I tell her one or wine or the two zoom or no me.
Okay.
Or no me, I did say ya, or so or no me yarn and where they.
If we had in a gun.
But and one says me, yes. I said, Chester me, Yanko on worshiping me. I said, we won't go to do minimum worship me. But was Susan was living on so. And he was sent a woman soon by faith. Sending second was not calling one. What I said, never batono. And you know, way and so be about the koto, mistake a boho. Niden, no bompire, and he made the embassy came in and say, what can Acts 17, verse 24, downwards now, eba. What I say, or say, Canada Yenim, Yanko Pogu, Nenia day, Egu, and Brahwood, why Yenim, so bad as see I had a city pain such a or city pain at a day, yes, such a day, Yagane. And the Canada Yenim, maybe no, or Yabi Bunenia day, Egu near so, they are Kayana, no Yagra did that. Yes, you himself no any, yet you saw no on the say. You who say, San Quafo in our way ring, what to sell a ring, or to say Deco, or to say Crobeto, or to say Bella Samuamo, but the winner, ain't he? Sa pictures never go in Ano. One way actors pictures never go. And to make us every bow them, every bow saw them, not a bohose or your actor and who you offer, open us 17 or not was what they want. I don't have problem. But so what now was so them say yes, and I walk out on the yard. Say yes, bako, and 9 year marking. And I said to me, Montre me yes, one cassa, or whom that may Apostle McCarthy, but the picture in the Bible was on it. The software small was what I said. Yes, you put to know for being was what them done. Me them, must what them, me for being what that. We say, you must say, you must me them, must what them, a being what that.
As my papa can say. I saw for my mechanics. I'm on some people from there. Yeah, because once I was one them home. I saw them say yes, no, baby, we are. Don't so to be there, bonny them. May pass with the anamico. So from trip about on him to go mass with them. The bumpire them that made their 2 minutes, not a bumpire. True. It doesn't for yes to do as to be a dinner car. It doesn't for a month for my half. Or to be done, there is no minimum. Yes. Any problem.
Or me first, me baba da, made the same best to Yanam to best to Nama Dasso. Going to say, yes, you mean that's what by four.
Yeah. It's a moment to come and the crowd I am audition. Soften in your friend, so I must wait very.
And I say, Moses fetched us so. Yamese on Pancheso in Subeba. Moses the boss, so did they buy. But Onyame kwatwe Moses aso. And so be that to my picture no that you be. Ama dia opeso and answer ba. But a tree and couple of battery was so worship for the image.
Also Moses di why yes a chaniabo add to nya was to. I never proper channel. Why yet Abanya ko bofu.
Sir.
ba nipa na tira woni tina awurade tie nipa no ohun nipa no bombo mu so no me ba Moses na o ye vessel no onya problem 2 years of so you very careful.
So for NT last quotation, Leviticus 26 verse 1. Was it, do not make idols or set up carved images.
Thank you.
Or sacred pillars or sculptured stones in your land, so you may worship them. I am the Lord your God.
Yes.
So for sculptures, and I would saw them. I saw them more. I was coming to be more so anything.
I'm modding. And do baby share a body. Ya was a pan, Papa. Assembly or I no correct. Oh, can you?
It is your modding.
Bodding a Roman Catholic.
Yeah.
Roman Catholic.
C'est toi, ouais.
C'est tout le ye candia. A young true the other, a young true the other, but ye can't correct. No cranny say, young Casso, no cranny say, I'm pack. Me can we yell Roman
sculpture no how.
What I say, when you grow Roman, I saw them be a man, Anglican, I saw them. So what I say, who say, Urabuna, both a statue visible. A biblical book could get a bomb pie suffrano. And today I can say, won't you? Yado Yaman some ya cano cranny head, or catch any panel. What I say, no question there yet to sabi. And the ya can say, more walk to a name, yes, to picture BC was statue, why ye design see what I'm with any musulu. And you two idea. Because oh yeah, yes, so I guess the tenor said, the money you're going to say, so I picture this one now. What my say yes to picture no, and yes, I go for about whom. So I go for about when you know day.
It's a more Peter when you also come home.
And there's uncle for a back on there, or my fat picture no or castle. Now I draw the sea. And at the end of the day, no, Sanko, when you're yes, you know,
Papa, omit you be a fan of the church. John Wesley,
so
John, yeah,
many credit you say, Ebia, John Wesley, or on the matter is by many problem. Yeah, yes, was saying Kayatu, but we are not worshiping.
Okay,
young cock, I say in Kobuko to them. I don't have problem. That's all. Yet they swear from Kaye and your money.
Okay,
but I so would say, trust me. I don't dare your money. No more say, yeah, what does he say? John Wesley, yes, no, and yeah, it is a sin. Yeah, for your false up pie. Yeah, false up on pie. It is a sin. It is a sin.
I already know Puncham. Now, Mom was stand also because, and it may be a dad that yet check. I remember, oh, hey, me use a one cast to be a bit too. Now, it's a brother call. Saying a mini power, hey, it was a Monday or Monday, some church walk. Sabaya, oh, hey, Ubinyas, you won't be a dinosaur. Obi ntimi amfa so kwan ana no wachenchan na yamfa kotokoro ana no 7 nyame nipa is assemble na wo kan de atwato de atu oman na fo ni wiase na efo because oman ni na eti
ahwefo amohwe me ya twem adwe na esi bibi so se bible se kwan bi wo ho a etene awo nipa ni so ba na wie ye ayowo obi ba kasa mfonso be na ewom e na be kobompa ya obi kwase be so da ye na me hu yesu obi so da ye hu no mo pa ya nkofa nipa no medina wo se sa yesu ya esisi ya so da emu no sa yesu bi no hu na ti da me de be pese me kan ina ne say there is power in the name of Jesus Christ to me awo yesu Kristo de nemu and he said wo be kwa kofa picture bi abowa so dem e de abowo dem e de abowo page ni wo suegu pictures no de e yo nyankopon echiwade and he ohwefo wo hwe be de metufo sa wa adwene fi ne ho the picture no de e ya ofe nkofo we di am abogbo eye ofere wo de bo waso dem say okay eye ofere ya fine I don't have problem on that but say bo waso dem na wo so no wo sungu wo so wo chen so ma say wo mkoto bi wo be kwa so be we eso yesu obo ho wo be ko we dem masa onyame hu yamobo na wonti nanim kire ye fa de ye kan ewrade be fa so e di nhira bro ye so be fa say ya gro be de ye di but ewie ye bere mu no onyame be ka say wo kotu ohoni what go two images that are some bro
yenko osofo ajaben so osofo ajaben
oyinba
e say ye de dwumedi no ekọ na wie wanu de sem twatwa de ma oman ni nyina na wiase nyina no e de say
ye da radio say de yenim no we e ya de sua enti se wo hwe ye be se ka che on say menyi bibi nso na nya gidi wo mu emso no ko so wo hwe Revelation chapter 1 verse 13 Yohani ehu Yesu no picture de hu Yesu no any picture you know about edifa it will be very careful say oba tsa dem abu Kristo ni se Kristo ni ba no ebusoso ni abena so ma da de beba no se ne Moses sentima copy Canaan no erade anu adoma ye mu aten ba na heaven ko akwa yode awa babra botini na bi no esu kwan Tia Vanya Futu, already saying.
Onyameba wo hwe Ewurade Nyankopon hye se waje bre na watimi eni atena bedu sam pensoi nze panimfo enya omo ewo efia Apostle General Charles McCarthy that for friend say Victory Kenaland Chapel ano ono ankasa ne ba osofo Ajaben anane wonze omo bi nsem enema bi ahimtasem enema bi atese nipa de ehuma wuram ne so enya nokore ene nipa ko sei ene Ewurade afom so a Ewurade enam so akasa kire ne wonso watibi pa bi bo ntoma no panimfo se okoto so obi tu ne bafo a woni futufo agina ho ne fa bi ere etutrim ne fako nyame ni para kasa Isaiah chapter number 42 verse 8 was I am the Lord, that is my name. I will not give my glory to anyone else, no. I share my praise with calves idols. Shall I say adibi nipa asene na nipa ibe nyame mfa nani monya ema no sansem we na nyame nipa kese abechirichiri mu se wo Yesu foto bia bo ba bia nya ono a ya dro bibi se Yesu anya ono a mfa ogidi enkohim na later na do be kohyim Ewurade Nyankopon sha wo hwe Apostle General Charles McCarthy owo ehwan kumase uduru ehwan market wono ma wonse ekwan bi eda wa ekomboro market o fa sa kon so kwanu kakra wonse police station bi ho police station opposite a wonse asoro no eda kama pa somebody boy ni mu audifo ahofe chese oboso a enya sekreto wa uduru ha wonse ngosra no eya dwuma Nyankopon afra wiebere mu ode na gi akra it is a won kwa asoro bia brother papa ma me otie me sabre ya free sabre ko betimi aba now Apostle General Charles McCarthy ababeso undiluted word asemwa emfa bibia mfrem no Nyankopon be fa no so e de ama no brabo enye se de tieda sofo Peter Ajaben ono so oda Victory Kenaland Chapel branch ba ko a Nyankopon aya na Ewurade ama na basa so ama Apostle Charles McCarthy chese Ewurade afa na wosra so ama akobi ewo adwumakase a chese enya senketo akoduru ho a chese de ne natie no ne na eto aso de tiatie edibi si so ma no sofo Peter Ajaben ona Nyankopon na Apostle Charles McCarthy so na kodua wa o hwesa asafo no edi se wo ben mamponten ne aboa so ne de keka ho ba bia empatem ho ba bia na nkwa so ya mesrew kwasi da bia sofo Peter Ajaben ogina na so a Nyankopon de ne bo adwuma pa edi wo hwa no a adwuma kase kese Ewurade Nyankopon ebedom na wa ma one sofo na hia ade wo hwe bia no Ewurade Nyankopon ya mo edi Apostle General Charles McCarthy ene osofo Peter Ajaben Ewurade Nyankopon o hirawo na onye okese menso ade ebo atin Peter TV3 Ewurade Nyankopon o hirawo menso na onye kese Ewurade ka mo Ewurade adoma na se o kire nkwa bi mu a dawoforo ye besa na hia Ewurade hwe mo so e wo Yesu nyamti amen.